Hello, I'm Emma, and I'm not real. Welcome to Money Academy. I will show you how you can make and create AI video for free with CapCut.
So first of all, click the link below. You will go to this website capcut.com. Just go and sign up. I will just go and choose personal use and check it. Now here is the website. I will just go and click here to start. Here's are the templates. You can choose whatever, but in this video I will show you how you can choose your AI avatar. So go to create, and we will create our YouTube video. You can choose the size here. For us it's 16 by 9. Just click right here. So here are our space of work. We will find here a lot of templates and a lot of stock image, a lot of stock video, graphic, whatever you want. I will just go here and choose template. And here are the AI character that we will use on this video. It's very simple without any watermark. So here I will search for background here. Let's type this background and see what it have here on the video. Let's go with stock video here and choose of course our template. It's 16 by 9. I'll just scroll and see my video. Okay, let's change it here and add something. Okay, search. Here are different templates. So we'll go with this house right here, or the other one. Yeah, this garden is better. Just add and it will add to your timeline. And now return to our avatar. Have to go right there and click in the left corner, and you will see the AI character. I will just go back on this menu to choose our AI character. You can go with other option here and see. For me, the AI avatar, I will scroll down. We have a lot of AI avatar that we can use. I'll just go with this one right here. Just click and drag it and drop it here. So I will wait a little bit. Here our AI talking avatar. Can go and see all the AI. They can talk and how it look like. We have different options that we can use. It's very powerful. This tool from CAPCUT is very powerful. Yeah, it's better than the ID for me. So let's scroll down. We have a lot of avatar to use, and they are really good and real. So let's just search and go with this one. I will just get up here, and here is the background. And now let's write our script. Script is just default here. So for me, I will just go now and try to write the script, change the script. You can use the AI power to write scripts. Here I will just delete this one and write my own script, the script that you already listened in the beginning of this video. Just write here, hello, I'm Emma, and I will write my script. Okay, the script should not be excited. how much 1,000 words, so you can write the first and after that write another with the same technique. Okay, so here I will just finish my script and I'll click apply, and the AI avatar will read our script. And let's create. Here you can type on listen to your script, and you can modify your video to be big or small, and after that you can export or share it in any social media account, or here I will just export this on my desktop and write his name, and for the quality I will use the best one, and that's it. Click export, and this is the final results.
Hello, I'm Emma, and I'm not real. Welcome to Money Academy. I will show you how you can make and create AI video for free with CAPCUT.